Hey, I thought you said this weekend you were gonna get that fixed.
Well, I'm thinking about getting it fixed. Does that count?
Whoa, whoa, whoa there, Tom. Look, enough dilly-dallying. Give me that. The greens can wait for a little bit.
Who are you?
I'm Mr. Wright, and it's time to get started on this project. Am I right, Stacy? Trust me, the closer and latch installation process is a simple DIY project that shouldn't take more than 30 minutes. Wright Products makes this process so seamless and easy. This hardware kit should be called EasyWare. It has everything you need, including pneumatic door closer, push-button latch, and a jam bracket designed for use on post or frame-mounted door closers. To install, just grab a screwdriver, drill, and pliers. It only takes a few simple steps to install the door closer. Just like that. And the push-button door latch installation. Well, look at that. It only takes a few simple steps as well. While you two adjust the closer speed to get it just right, I'm gonna work on getting my chipping just right. Ooh, little long. Well, Wright Products for the right job. For detailed step-by-step instructions, click the link below.